Good morning students, 7th class science, chapter number 1. Our next topic is symbiosis. This is the next mode of nutrition. There are some organisms which live together, share shelter and nutrients. This is known as symbiotic relationship. Some organisms are there which are sharing their shelter, sharing the nutrients, and which are living together. That relationship is called symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationship may be defined as habitual living together of organisms belonging to the different species. Different species organisms are living together. Symbiosis is the mode of heterotrophic nutrition. It is an interaction or interrelationship between two organisms for their mutual benefit or dependence. For their own benefits, two types of organisms, two different species organisms, they are living together. Lichen is the example of a symbiotic nutrition. It is an association with alga and fungi. For example, lichen. Lichen, what are the lichen? In this relationship, alga and fungi, they are living together. Alga, it is green in color. It is preparing the food. Alga is preparing the food. See, alga is autotrophic. It can manufacture the food for the fungi. It is preparing the food and it is giving that food to the fungi. Fungi provides shelter, water and minerals to the alga. And fungi is giving shelter, water and minerals to the alga. Means for their mutual benefit, they are living together. Alga, that is providing the food to the fungi, and fungi, that is giving shelter, water and minerals to the alga. This relationship is called symbiotic relationship. Another example of symbiotic relationship is between the leguminous plants and nitrogen fixing bacteria. What are the leguminous plants? In the roots of the leguminous plants, one bacteria is growing. Which bacteria? Rhizobium bacteria is growing in the roots of the leguminous plants. Rhizobium bacteria in this relationship convert the atmospheric nitrogen. Rhizobium bacteria, this is taking the nitrogen from the atmosphere, from the surrounding, and converts that nitrogen into the soluble compounds of nitrogen to fulfill the basic requirements of the plants. Then it is converting into the nitrogen into the soluble form, and that soluble nitrogen is required by the plants. It also helps the soil to get its nutrients replenished. This rhizobium bacteria help the soil to get the nutrients replenished, means make again the nutrients. This saves the farmer from using fertilizers and any another processes to provide the fertility of the soil. Means this rhizobium bacteria is also helpful for the farmers. How? Because it maintains the fertility of the soil. Farmers no need to use the fertilizers if these bacteria are growing. Rhizobium bacteria form the symbiotic relationship with the plants such as grams, peas, mung beans and other legumes. These plants are called leguminous plants. Rhizobium bacteria is forming symbiotic relationship with these leguminous plants because rhizobium bacteria is growing in these plants. These are found in the root nodules of these plants. Rhizobium bacteria were found in the root nodules of these plants. See there. These are the leguminous plants. In their roots, the rhizobium bacteria is present. Now our chapter is finished.